Hey guys, if you are interested in doing some really wonderful research, we have an amazing resource for you to try. What you want to do is use your browser and go to MackinVia.com. You can do this on your iPad or on a computer. You are going to get to a screen that looks like this, and you just follow the directions. You're going to find the name of our school by starting to type the name. There we are. And then you are going to use your normal username and password as if you were logging on to the computer. So I'm going to log in. MackinVia is kind of like a gateway to all of our databases. You don't have to remember all the passwords anymore and all the usernames. One-stop shopping for databases. It is awesome. So once you get here, you need to go through and decide which database is going to be most helpful for you. I would like to show you Britannica. It is one of my favorites right now, and I want to show you how to search in it. No matter which one you choose, you'll want to click the green Open Now button. It'll take you to our database website. It will already have you logged in and everything so that you don't have to go through that extra step. There it goes. It's a little slow this afternoon. Okay, now here you can begin with your searching. You can start using an elementary level, or perhaps you want to try middle. I like to begin at the elementary level and search for my topic, and you can always move up if you feel that the information that you're getting is not quite what you want. So let's just begin a search. I'm going to search for mining. Notice here, it gives you a bunch of options that you might want to click on. If you are interested, you might think, oh, I really do want to know more about coal mining or diamond or gold. It just gives you some options there, but I'm going to stick with mining and hit enter. Here we are. Here are the articles that Britannica has pulled for you about mining. They are listed here. You're going to be scrolling through to look for things that you think will be most helpful for you. If you'd like to look at pictures, you can certainly do that. Here are some wonderful pictures. If you are doing any kind of a project where you need to have an image in your presentation, I would recommend that you use these images. Videos, no videos for this level. But notice when I go to level 2, there are some videos that I could watch. Back to level 1, and this is elementary level and middle and high school. That's what the levels mean, so you can go back and forth as much as you'd like while you're searching. Dictionary to get a definition for a word that you've looked up. Magazine articles. Underneath the name of the article, it will have the name of the magazine. So that might be helpful for you as you're looking through. Websites, you might want to click on those and check them out. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my articles, and I'm going to stay in level 1, and I am going to click on Northern Cape Mining, which is a province in South Africa. It tells me here. And then I get a lot of great information. I get a map that I can click on and enlarge it. I get a great introduction. Here's geography of the area, information about the population of that place, economy. So you can now, and here's our mining information. So what I would like for you guys to do is to just give this a try, see how you like it, search around, and see how it works for you. One thing I definitely want to point out is if you are using any of this information from any of the articles anywhere in a database, you must cite your source. You have to show where that information came from. Britannica makes it very easy to do that. Over here in the gray box are some options. The one I want to show you is the one that has the little check mark, which means cite. Go ahead and keep this just as it is, but this information right here that I'm going to highlight, this is my citation. This is what I would copy and paste into a Google Doc or into a slide on my presentation so that I can prove where my information came from. This is very important because you do not want to appear to be copying information as if it was your own. That is called plagiarism and can get you in some pretty serious trouble. So you want to show where all your information comes from. If you're finished with that, we're going to X out. What you can also do, just like on the other screen where you can go between levels 1, 2, 3, you can change the reading level here. So we can go to level 2. Oops. Well, we're going to stay on level 1. It looks like level 2 is grayed out. This would be something to try, to go back and forth between the levels here. Notice too, it's a great map. You might want to try it out and use, if you wanted to use this map in your presentation, make sure to use the citation button, and you want to get that citation of that image, which in this case is a map, and you want to put that into your presentation or into your Google Doc. So there you have it. I really hope that you try out MackinVia and you give it a chance. You might also want to go through and look at some of these other databases and give them a try too, especially if they're new to you. Thanks for watching.